Stay informed with Infoline 11, your trusted source for news and insights. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. Today we will be discussing the recent collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, which has sent shockwaves through the tech industry. First, a bit of background. Silicon Valley Bank was founded in 1983 as a bank catering specifically to the needs of tech startups and venture capitalists. Over the years, the bank has become a leading player in the tech industry, with a reputation for providing financing and other services to some of the most successful startups in Silicon Valley. However, in the past few months, rumors began circulating that the bank was facing financial difficulties. These rumors were fueled by a number of factors, including the bank's exposure to risky tech investments, rising interest rates, and an overall slowdown in the tech industry. On March 1, those rumors were confirmed when Silicon Valley Bank announced that it was filing for bankruptcy. The news came as a shock to many in the tech industry, who had long viewed the bank as a reliable partner and a cornerstone of the startup ecosystem. So, what led to the bank's collapse? There are a few factors at play here. Firstly, Silicon Valley Bank was heavily exposed to the tech industry, which has been experiencing a slowdown in recent years. This meant that the bank's portfolio of investments was becoming riskier and riskier, as startups struggled to secure funding and generate revenue. Secondly, the rising interest rates also played a role. As the cost of borrowing increased, many of the startups that Silicon Valley Bank had invested in were unable to repay their loans, leading to a significant increase in defaults and bad debts. Finally, there were also concerns about the bank's management and governance. Some critics had accused the bank of being too focused on short-term gains and ignoring the long-term risks of its investments. Overall, the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank is a sobering reminder of the risks inherent in the tech industry. While startups and venture capitalists can reap enormous rewards from successful investments, there is always the risk of failure. It remains to be seen what the long-term impact of the bank's collapse will be on the tech industry, but one thing is certain: the fallout from this event will be felt for years to come. Now we will talk about, is this indication of global recession? It is difficult to say whether the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank is an indication of a global recession, as there are many factors that can contribute to a recession. However, it is certainly a sign that there are some economic challenges facing the tech industry and the broader economy. The collapse of a major financial institution like Silicon Valley Bank could have ripple effects throughout the economy, particularly if the bank had significant exposure to other industries or financial institutions. Additionally, the slowdown in the tech industry that contributed to the bank's collapse could be an indicator of broader economic trends, such as a decrease in consumer spending or a decrease in business investment. That being said, it is important to remember that the economy is complex and there are many factors that can contribute to a recession. It is too early to tell whether the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank is a sign of a broader economic downturn, but it is certainly worth keeping an eye on as events continue to unfold. That's all for today's vlog. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Please share and subscribe Infoline 11 channel.